Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Pisces, your person current feelings and their actions. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So this reading is from June 11th to June 20th. So let's see your person current feelings, Pisces, water sign. Your person current feelings towards you. Okay, so let's see your person current feelings towards you. Justice, Nine of Wands, Page of Wands. I think your person may be younger than you, or you may be younger than your person, or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or you could be fire sign. Justice, I think someone in this connection got justice, definitely will get justice, because justice, Libra, is reconciliation. I think you are waiting for reconciliation. I think your person is also want reconciliation with you. For someone, I think it's you person guarded up something you did past to them. And Page of Wands, communications, definitely there will be some communication between both of you in near future. Your person want to communicate you, but they acting like they don't want. So let's see your person near future actions towards your Pisces. You or your person could be lot of cards. Libra, the Hermit, lot of cards. I will take one. Queen of Cups, King of Wands. Definitely your person in near future is in hermit mode. Hermit mode is not taking action, thinking and thinking in spiritual way, and discovering each and everything regarding this relationship. And a Queen of Cups, definitely your person have emotions for you. It is 100%. King of Wands, but your person stand by their power. Lot of passion is there, but in near future they will may not make any move, but they have love for you, they have emotions for you, but right now they are in the hermit mode. So I think you maybe approach your person because communication is there. So let's pull some cards from universe, Pisces. Knight of Wands, wow, here's the Wheel of Fortune, Five of Wands, lot of fire energies here. Six of Cups, yes, you or your person have strong soulmate connection or past life connection, 100%. Five of Wands, there are some disputes in past. Wheel of Fortune, things are getting better. Definitely there will be a chance for reconciliation and your person want to come towards you, but here you have to make move, because your person is in hermit mode. If they have to make move towards you first, it will take some time, but when you approach there first, there will be definitely things are turning in your favor when you make a first move towards them. Or if you wait for they want to make first move towards you, but it will take, they will make, but it will take time because they are in spiritual awakening, the hermit mode right now. So but love is there because on soulmate connection is here. Six of Cups. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.